How to go to previous page in Adobe Acrobat. First, open your browser and go to acrobat.adobe.com and log in. Click All Tools and pick any tool to open your PDF like Add Comments or Edit a PDF. Once it loads, you are ready to navigate. Look at the toolbar on the right side on your screen. At the bottom, you will see small arrow buttons pointing up and down. These are your page navigation tools. To go back to the previous page, just click the up facing arrow. This click takes you one page backward. Next to it, you will see the current page number out of total pages. Super handy for long PDFs. Prefer keyboard shortcuts? Press page up or up arrow to move to the previous page. Quick and smooth. And that's how you go to the previous page in the Adobe Acrobat web. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.